Hi, my name is Kai. I'm 50 years old. I'm come from Vũ Quang and I'm a student at Galaxy English Center. Today I want to tell you about my hobby. I like play volleyball and drawing. I like play volleyball because it helps me healthy, and I like drawing because I can draw animals. Animal example, cat, dog, or tiger. I draw cartoon character, example Deku, Nashi, and I draw people, girl, example girl and friends. Thank for listening.